Revolutionary AI Collaboration Protocol Unleashed. Manufact MCP explained. The rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence is witnessing a significant breakthrough with the introduction of Manufact's Machine Collaboration Protocol, or MCP. As AI continues to permeate every aspect of our lives, the need for seamless interaction between different AI systems has become more pronounced. MCP is designed to address this challenge, enabling machines to collaborate like never before. At its core, MCP is a novel protocol that facilitates efficient and secure communication between disparate AI entities. This allows for the creation of a unified AI ecosystem where machines can share knowledge, resources, and tasks, ultimately leading to enhanced productivity and innovation. The implications of MCP are far-reaching, with potential applications in industries such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. One of the key benefits of MCP is its ability to enable real-time collaboration between AI systems. This means that machines can work together to solve complex problems, share data, and learn from each other, all in a matter of seconds. For instance, in the healthcare sector, MCP could facilitate the collaboration between AI-powered diagnostic tools, allowing doctors to receive more accurate and comprehensive diagnoses. The significance of MCP lies in its potential to unlock new levels of AI capabilities. By enabling machines to work together, MCP can help overcome some of the current limitations of AI, such as data silos and lack of interoperability. This, in turn, can lead to the development of more sophisticated AI applications that can tackle complex challenges in areas like climate change, education, and cybersecurity. Manufact's MCP is built on a robust architecture that prioritizes security, scalability, and flexibility. The protocol employs advanced encryption techniques to ensure that data shared between machines remains confidential and secure. Additionally, MCP is designed to be highly scalable, allowing it to accommodate a vast number of machines and data points. The impact of MCP on various industries cannot be overstated. In the finance sector, MCP could enable AI-powered systems to collaborate on risk assessment and portfolio management, leading to more informed investment decisions. In the transportation sector, MCP could facilitate the collaboration between self-driving cars, traffic management systems, and infrastructure providers, resulting in safer and more efficient traffic flow. As MCP continues to gain traction, it is essential to consider the potential challenges and limitations associated with its adoption. For instance, the integration of MCP with existing AI systems may require significant investments in infrastructure and training. Moreover, there may be concerns about data governance and ownership, particularly in industries with strict regulatory requirements. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of MCP make it an exciting development in the AI landscape. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see new applications and use cases emerge. For instance, MCP could enable the creation of AI-powered virtual assistants that can seamlessly interact with various devices and systems, making our lives easier and more convenient. In conclusion, Manufact's MCP represents a significant breakthrough in AI collaboration, enabling machines to work together like never before. With its robust architecture, scalability, and flexibility, MCP has the potential to unlock new levels of AI capabilities and transform various industries. As we move forward, it is crucial to address the challenges and limitations associated with MCP's adoption, ensuring that its benefits are realized in a responsible and sustainable manner. The future of AI collaboration has arrived, and it's time to explore the vast possibilities that MCP has to offer. Subscribe for more insights on AI and emerging technologies, and hit the like button to stay updated on the latest developments